Hi everyone, Dr. Mancini here, and today I want to talk about how to kill the monster when it's small. In other words, proactive versus reactive healthcare. Now, I want to preface this topic with a study so you can better understand where I'm coming from. The study showed that 10 years after an auto accident, by the way, this study was done by a well-known insurance company. 10 years after an auto accident, 68% of victims had headaches, radiating pain, and neck pain. And this was without stitches or major external injuries. It showed that auto accident victims have an 80% higher incidence of osteoarthritis and get it faster. This study demonstrated the short-term and long-term effects of unresolved injuries. Now, I've been guilty of this too, being a competitive athlete, fighting in the ring for years. When I had these injuries back then, some of them I didn't really take care of in the moment. And yes, years later, I'm paying for it. So what my point is that when you have something like an auto accident, make sure you get it assessed, and not only assessed, but more importantly, treated, even when it's small, because those small, low-grade injuries over time accumulate and become more issues down the road. Now, in today's world, we're now incorporating acupuncture as part of this multidisciplinary approach. So normally a patient would go to their medical doctor or a specialist like an orthopedic specialist or neurologist. They may get physical therapy or chiropractic. Well, acupuncture is a standalone. It really helps facilitate and optimize all those other modalities because it optimizes and increases circulation to the area. It helps reduce inflammation, and it basically improves the patient's overall sense of well-being, which is a really important factor in today's world, especially when you have chronic pain, because chronic pain means you're gonna not be happy. Chronic pain means you're gonna have more stress, you're gonna be more anxious, you're gonna be more edgy. So acupuncture deals with not only the physical elements, but also helps soothe the patient, it helps them relax more so they can heal quicker throughout the process. So I just want to share with you that it's super important that if you've been in an auto accident, please get it assessed and get it treated appropriately. Use natural modalities in addition to your traditional modalities, especially if you're looking to reduce your need for medication or injections, or you're looking for alternatives to surgery, okay? So that's something that we do often, and it's a common thing that is now being utilized in the medical system, okay? So if you have more questions, you can contact our office. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.